1, x belonging to closed interval from negative 2 to 2. You want to find x power 2 belonging to space. Okay, we can find x power 2 by power 2 about negative 2, it will be 4, and power 2 here it will be 4. And if we have negative 2, the all numbers behind them, negative 1 and 0 and 1 and 2. Okay, negative 2 power 2 it will be 4, negative 1 power 2 it will be 1, 0 power 2 equals 0, 1 2 power 2 it will be 1, 2 power 2 it will be 4. Okay, then you can arrange this number 0, 1 and 4. The smallest number here 0, then the first number will be 0 and second number will be equal 4. You must write the numbers from least to greatest. Again, if x belonging to negative 2 and 2, we want to find x power 2. Write here numbers here, a number line, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Negative 2 power 2, it will be 4. Negative 1 power 2, 1. 0 power 2, 0. 1 power 2, 1. 2 power 2, 4. You can choose the smallest number and the greatest number right in the interval here, 0 to 4. Question number 2. The multiplicative inverse of this expression, root 3 minus 2. We want to find the multiplicative inverse. We know this expression it will be root 3 minus 2 over 1. Then the multiplicative inverse about this it will be 1 over root 3 minus 2. But this example we must cancel root 3 in denominator. You must write number in denominator. The numerator must be right integers. By product what? The conjunct about denominator. Root 3 plus 2 here and root 3 plus 2 here. 1 times root 3 plus 2, it will be root 3 plus 2 here. And root 3 times root 3 equal 3, 2 times 2 equal 4. And the result will be root 3 plus 2 over negative 1. The result will be, then the conjunct will be what? By this number, we want to find the multiplicative inverse. It will be negative root 3 minus 2. Choose letter D. The result will be what? Letter D. Understood? I write the multiplicative inverse, but the denominator was root 3 minus 2. You must cancel root 3 minus 2 by product, by conjunct, numerator and denominator to this number. And the result will be negative root 3 minus 2. Next question number 3. The solution set of inequality. Negative 2x greater than or equal to 6. In the interval, we can divide it by negative 2, but you must change this direction here to be positive and positive x, and here negative 3. We have negative 3 here closed, less than or equal to negative 3, moving it to left hand side to negative infinity. The solution set will be equal opened interval from negative infinity to negative 3 here was closed. Question number 4. The upper boundary of sets is 30 and its length 10, then the center is what? Okay, he give us the upper boundary of sets 30. 30, it's upper, okay? And we don't lower. But he give us the length of this interval was 10. It's meaning the lower will be what? Will be 20. We have interval. Again, we have interval from numbers to 30. He give us the length was 10. The length was 10. He give us upper was 30. Then the lower it will be 20 because the length of this interval 10. The length of this interval it's meaning the lowest number plus 10 equal 30. Then 20 plus 10 equals 30. Then we have two numbers. The lowest number will be 20 and the upper number will be 30 in this interval. You want to find the center. 20 plus 30 divided by 2. 20 plus 30 equal 50 divided by 2 equal 25. The result here will be 25. Question letter B. The slope of straight line passing through 3 and 2 and 1 and 3. We can find the slope. y2 minus y1, 3 minus 2 over 1 minus 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Y minus 3 equal negative 2. Then the result will be negative half. Question 6. The solution set of the equation square root of 2 times x equal 4 in R. We can divide it by 2 here to cancel root 2. Then x equal 4 over root 2. We can cancel root 2 in the numerator by product root 2 numerator and denominator here, and write 4. Root 2 times root 2 equal 2. Then the result will be 2. Okay, the value here will be equal what? Equal 2. X will be equal to. In the solution set here, we have here, okay, sorry, 4 times root 2 equal 4 root 2 divided, the result will be 2 root 2. The result will be 2 root 2 because 4 times root 2 equal 4 root 2. Understood? Next question, number 2. If the lowest boundary of set is 4 and center 9, then the upper will be what? Okay, we know the center was 9. The center equal lowest plus upper divided by 2. He gave us in the example the lowest was what? Was 4. And the center 9. 2 times 9 equal 18. Then 18 equal 4 plus upper. Then the upper value will be equal what? 18 minus 4, it will be 14. The result here will be 14. Question number 2. The slope of straight line which parallel to y-axis, it will be undefined. Straight line here was parallel to y dash, means the slope undefined. Slope will be undefined. Okay, parallel to y-axis, it will be undefined. Question number 3. If x less than negative cubic root of 10 less than x plus 1, you can find the value of x by using calculator. Right here, negative cubic root of 10. The cubic root of 10 equal negative 2.115. This number greater than what? Negative 3. Negative 2.15 greater than negative 3. Then x will be negative 3 because x belonging to integers. Question 4. If point M, the order of it 15 and 30, is the point of intersection of for two cumulative ascending and descending curve, then the median will be what? Okay, we have the curve here, this curve up and down here, and intersection this point 5 and 30. 5 we called it the median. The median was 5 and the order of the median it will be 30. You want to find the median, then the result will be 5. The result here will be 5. Question number 5. Cuboid space area is 5 for 2 square centimeter, and its height, okay, he give us the area 5 root 2 square centimeter, and the height will be 3 root 2. Then the volume will be what? The volume of cuboid equal area of the base multiplication by height. It will be 5 root 2 multiplication by the height 3 root 2. 5 times 3 equal 15, and root 2 times root 2 it will be 2. 2 times 15 equals 30 cubic centimeter. Next example. Number 3, letter E. If x equal 2 plus root 3 and y equal 1 over x, find the simplest form using, don't use a calculator, without using calculator. Okay, we can put x here to find the value of y, 1 over 2 plus root 3, and then you can simplify it by product the conjugate to denominator to root 3. And then y equal 2 minus root 3 over 2 times 2 equal 4, root 3 times root 3 equal 3, then the result will be 2 minus root 3. It's the value of y. We have x and y. Then and y we called it conjugate. You want to find the value of x product by y subtracted by y power 2. We can put the value of x here, 2 plus root 3 product by 2 minus root 3 subtracted by y power 2, y here 2 minus root 3 power 2. Okay, and then the product between two conjugate, first by first, subtract second by second, and here negative 2 power 2 equal 4. Write negative 2 times 2 times root 3, it will be 4 root 3, and it will be positive, root 3 power 2, it will be 3. 4 minus 3 equal 1, subtract by 4 minus 4 plus 3 equals 7, minus 4 root 3. Then the result will be what? 1 minus 7 plus 4 root 3, because negative times the positive equal negative, and negative times the negative equal positive. And the result will be 1 minus 7 equal negative 6 plus 4 root 3. Okay, the result will be negative 6 plus 4 root 3. These tips about this example. Next question. Represent graphically the relation y equal 2 minus 2x if this straight line passing through the point 4 and 2a, find is the value of a. Okay, first step we must represent here y equal 2 minus 2x. X and y, put x equals 0, 1 and 2. Put x equals 0, the result will be 2. Put 1, 2 times 1 equal 2, 2 minus 2 equals 0. 2 times 2, 4, 2 minus 4, it will be negative 2. And then we will represent this information graphically. We have here 0 and 2, 1 and 0, 2 and negative 2. It's a straight line. And if he has 4 and 2a, this point pointing to this equation satisfies it, then put x equal 4 and y equal 2a. 4 and 2a. Put x equal 4 and y equal 2a. 2a equal 2, subtract 2 times the value of x. X equal 4 and y equal 2a. We have x and y. 2a equal 2 minus 4 times 2. Then 2a equal 2 minus 2 times 4 equal 8. Then 2a equal 2 minus 8 equal negative 6 divided by 2. Then a equal negative 3. It's the value of a. Question number 4. A metallic sphere with diameter 6 centimeter. We have sphere with the radius was 6 centimeters. The radius about sphere, and it's melted and converted, and circular cylinder its base convert to cylinder. Okay, it's convert to cylinder. This sphere convert to cylinder. It's meaning volume 1 will be equal volume 2. Okay, and this radius was 3 centimeter. We know volume 1 equal volume 2. Volume 1 here about sphere equal 4 over 3 by r power 2 by r power 3, the volume 1. And the volume 2 here, area of the base by r power 2 multiplication by height. He give us the radius here. Okay, you can cancel by with by. Okay, cancel by with by. And he give us the radius here 6. Then write 4 over 3 times 6 power 3. And he won't find what? The height. And give us the radius here 3. 3 power 2 equal 9. And 6 power 3, it will be 216. 216 divided by 3, it will be 72. And then 9h will be 4 product by 72 divided by 9. 72 divided by 9 equal 8. 4 times 8 equal 32. Then the height will be 32 centimeter. The height here of this sphere, was this cylinder, it will be 32 centimeter. Understood? Understood steps? He tell us convert to circular. It's meaning volume 1 equal volume 2. And 216 times 4 over 3, it will be 4 times 72 divided by 9, it will be 32. Next question, letter B. Without using calculator, find the result in the simplest form. Number 1, 175 square root of 175 plus 3 cubic root of 125 plus 25 over root 7. We can use the factorization of 175 divided by 5, 17 divided by 5 equal 3 and the middle 2, 25 divided by 5 equal 5, 35 divided by 5 equals 7, 7 divided by 7 equal 1. Then you can choose 2 digits here. Then the square root of 175, it will be what? Write 5 outside and square root of 7 plus here product by cubic root of 125, it will be 5. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5 equal 125. Then the cubic root of 125 equal 5 plus 25 over root 7. You can write root 7 here, numerator and denominator. Then the result 5 root 7 plus 15 plus root 7 times root 7 equals 7. The result will be 25 over 7 root 7. Sorry, it was 35. 35 divided by 7, it will be 5. Then the result will be 5 root 7 plus 15 plus 35 divided by 7 equals 5, and write root 7. Add them, the result will be 10 root 7 plus 15. It's the result without using calculator. Okay, last question, number 5. If this interval a minus 3 and a plus b is a solution of this equality. Okay, I will solve this equality here. 2 less than or equal to x plus 1 less than or equal to 8. We want to find the value of a and b. Okay, first step, you must find the solution about this inequality by a, the additive inverse of 1 x plus 1 negative 1 less than or equal to 8 minus 1, and here 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equal 1. Negative 1 plus 1 equals 0, less than or equal to 8 minus 1 equals 7. Then we have this solution 1 to 7, it will be closed here. Then the solution set will be 1 closed and 7 closed interval from 1 to 7. Then a minus 3, it will be 1 and b, a plus b equals 7. Then we can write a minus 3, it will be 1. Then the value of a equal 4 and a plus b equal 7. Put a equal 4 here, then 4 plus b equals 7. Then the value of b equals 3. We have a equal 4 and b equal 3. This result about this example, we can find the value of a and b. Last question, very easy to find k. You must add 8 plus 12 plus 2k plus 9 subtract by 50. Okay, you can find it. Right, 50 subtract by 8 plus 12 plus 2k or 50 equal 80. Sorry, 8 plus 12 plus 2k plus 9 plus k. Then 50 equal 8 plus 12 20. 20 plus 9 it will be 29. K plus 2k equal 3k. Then 3k equal 50 minus 29. 10 minus 9 equal 1. 4 minus 2 equal 2. Divided by 3, then k equals 7. The value of k here equals 7. And then you can complete. Put here 2k equal 14. Put here 14. Okay, put here 14. And put here 7. And then find the arithmetic mean by using drawing the table. Okay, understood?